Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new mythical epic Bluefury Magmayhem. So today the Blue Magmayhem came out instead of the mythical epic Flora Fox. So we're going to be going ahead and putting on Bluefury Magmayhem. This is on a hacked account. So here we go, let's put it on. So we are also going to be doing some battles with this, but this is what it looks like. So we are going to be doing some battles with this, and I'm also going to be doing 2 of the 3 battles to tame it on a membership account, because I actually did get pretty lucky with my drops. So I don't know what this element is actually. Let's go check. So let's look what it is in the pet book. It's pet number 169. It's BF Magmayhem, which is Bluefury. It says always hiding out in caves and fascinated with rocks. Bluefury Magmayhem is hard to find but can be lured with gold. Its fire magic is unique and hypnotizes everyone it sees. So it has a power to heart of 8 to 2, which is sad because it's not going to be as powerful as Magmayhem. And the element is fire. So we are going to do a battle in Firefly Forest with it then. So let's go to Firefly Forest, and we'll head up to find a battle. Okay, so let's battle this monster. So here we are with the Blue Magmayhem next to normal Magmayhem. I'm going to go ahead and answer this question, and let's see its animation. So it looks pretty normal. It looks pretty much the same as Magmayhem's, I'm pretty sure. Let's do another attack, because this is still actually a pretty powerful pet. It's not as powerful as the normal Magmayhem, but it's still very, very powerful. Okay, so let's do this, and there we go, 4,885. And we won the battle. So this does look pretty cool. I am now going to get on my membership account so then we can get 2 of the battles done into taming a Magmayhem, or Bluefury Magmayhem on that account. So as you can see, we have completed 2 of the tasks, and I'm pretty sure this is beta, this sort of thing. But let's go trade with Ola. And it's in Shipwreck Shore. I know exactly where it is because I passed her when I was going to do whatever. Okay, so we're talking with her. Let's do that. Track Mythic. Bonfire Spire, probably. Go battle. It isn't Bonfire Spire. And let's go tame it. So Magmayhem is up here. And there it is. Let's battle it. We are going to start with Falling Star Smash. Okay, so we got the question right, and we do some pretty good damage. Let's see how much it does. Okay, it only does 2,049. That is expected, though. Okay, so we got that one right, too. And that one did a lot. We're probably going to need 2 more hits. And it did 2,029. So that is 651. I typed it in wrong. But we need 1 more to defeat it. And Blue Magmayhem missed. And we are going to win the battle right here. There we go. So now we just need to do the other one. So let's go trade with Ola again. And there will be a second part of this where I tame it, because I still need to get 1 opal. There is Ola. Next. That. Track Mythic. Next. Go to Bonfire Spire. So go battle Bonfire Spire. Go tame. to the left. And there it is. We're going to have to do a battle to get to it. Okay, now let's try and get to the blue Magmayhem. There we go. So I accidentally stopped filming. Hopefully I can get this to string together. But here's the second battle. We do 4,188 damage. Bluefury Magmayhem does 2,056. Let's use Falling Star Smash. So we got the question right. There we go. And he does 2,043. Falling Star Smash again. So we got the question right. And we're going to have to answer one more question, but that's fine. So, Bluefury Magmayhem missed. I'm just going to call it Blue Magmayhem for now on, because that is a lot shorter. So, there we go. We beat it, 4,165 damage, and we have won the battle. So, yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is a very cool epic. You have to have membership to get this, by the way. And, yeah, bye.